truth table because I was having a hard time getting my point across in just a picture, and you did say, like, you know, make a truth table or something similar, so this is my something similar. So I chose number 1, either I am Tweedledee or I am carrying a black card. So I went ahead and I made like this. 1, 2, that. Okay. I'm just gonna put TD for Tweedledee, black for black card, T or F for true or false, and who is it? And we need 4 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4. So just like that. You can see that. Okay. So true, false, 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 true, and then true, true. Like so. So true and false makes true or false. If Tweedledee is true and black is false, that's going to make this true. Sorry, that's going to make this false. This one's going to be true. This one's going to be true. This one's going to be true. Like so. But the trues and falses didn't really help me figure it out. I actually figured out the riddle before I did the truth table. So it's a little bit difficult backtracking, but I cannot figure out in any way how this at all helps me to solve it. But I put it in there just because maybe it was needed. Okay, so let's start with the first one, true or false. So if he is Tweedledee, that means that he's not carrying the black card, because he would be telling the truth. So if Tweedledee is true and black card is false, then it's going to be Tweedledee. So this one works. False, false, true. With the or, it's really hard to get. Well, I actually think it's pretty much impossible to get 2 falses and for it to equal, or for one of them to be, like to have it make sense for it to be true, because, with either or, they can't be the same. So, if he is not Tweedledee, then, and he is not carrying the black card, that means that he should be, theoretically, Tweedledum and carrying the red card. But that's impossible, because if he was carrying the red card, he would be telling the truth. So this one does not work. So Xing that out. Then we have Tweedledee is false and holding the black card is true. So if he says either I am Tweedledee or I'm carrying a black card, Tweedledee is false, but he is carrying a black card, that means he's lying, so therefore he must still be Tweedledee. So I'm going to say TD, and that can be true. Next we have true and true. So he is Tweedledee, and he is also carrying the black card, but that means he lies, making him Tweedledum. But that can't be so, because Tweedledee is true. So he has to be Tweedledee, and he has to be lying about being Tweedledee. It doesn't make sense. So that cannot be. So I'm going to say, cannot be either, which is therefore false. So let's go back to our trues. Either he is Tweedledee, which means that he is not carrying the black card, which works, or he is not Tweedledee, which means he is carrying the black card, is lying about not being Tweedledee, and is therefore Tweedledee. So, either way, solving this riddle, either I'm Tweedledee or I'm carrying the black card, he is Tweedledee.